Hello friends and family from Epcot. Today we're going to be doing Festival of the Holidays, which I am so excited for. We're going to do this holiday Christmas cookie stroll. I can't wait to show you guys all of this. And also in the different areas around the World Showcase, the different countries, they have their version of Santa Claus, which I cannot wait to see. This is our first ever Festival of the Holidays. Before we get started, if you would smash that like button and subscribe, we would greatly appreciate it. When you first get into Epcot right here, be sure to check this stand right here for your festival passport, because right here is your cookies that you have to get stamped. They have 5 different cookies and then you get your complimentary treat. So we're gonna go around World Showcase and get the 5 cookies and then our complimentary cookie as well. But also, you don't have to get all these cookies all in one day if you're interested in the holiday cookie stroll. You can get a cookie a day, a cookie a week, just before the event is over. And also, you don't have to get all 5 cookies. You can get 5 of one cookie if you like. I'm really loving this Festival of the Holidays decor that they have set up right as soon as you walk in Epcot. And also, these poinsettias are just so beautiful. And I cannot wait to see the new holiday Beacon of Magic show right here on Spaceship Earth. I cannot wait for that. Also, if you look through your holiday passport here, they have some of the new merchandise that we will check out as well, and some of the different food options that they have around World Showcase. Our first stop is going to be over here at the Holiday Hearth Desserts. This is where they actually have one of the cookies that we're going to have to get, the gingerbread cookie. But also they have a salted caramel spaceship cookie for $5.50, a red velvet mini bundt cake, a snowball cookie, and a couple other things as well, like a cinnamon apple cider. Right over here as soon as you enter World Showcase. So we've officially got our first holiday cookie, and it's stamped right there, the gingerbread cookie. But how adorable is that? Like, I love his little buttons there and his smiley face. Let's go ahead and give him a try. We'll see if he's nice and soft. Yep, that's definitely a soft cookie. All right, we're going in head first. Let's try this. That one's better. That's better than the Grand Floridian gingerbread cookie.
But is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a very good cookie. It's very soft and flavorful. It's a lot thinner than the gingerbread cookie at the Grand Floridian as well. Very flavorful. I like it. That's a heck of a way to start off this holiday cookie stroll. I want to head in port of entry though and check out the new holiday Festival of the Holidays merchandise to see what they have left here. On my way here to port of entry, I came across the sweets and treats right here. They have a peppermint sundae, redemption cookie, which is what we're gonna have to get a little bit later on, but also hot cocoa and a chocolate peppermint shake. These look delicious though, check those out. I just made my way in the port of entry. It looks like we have a lot of Frozen and Olaf merchandise here. These are absolutely amazing, but also look at these spirit jerseys. Like, these are incredible. Like, they're fuzzy on the bottom half. Look at that. I really love these. And also, how perfect would these be? These Tervis tumblers right here. They actually say Epcot International Festival of the Holidays, and these are $39.99. But these mugs right here are just so cool and very, very ornate. I love these a lot. And I believe this hoodie right here is a pass holder hoodie for Epcot Festival of the Holidays as well. It has it right here, 2021. But how adorable is that print?
Your mouth and nose when coughing.
They also have a stage set up right here, Joyful, a celebration of the season with show times at 1:15, 2:20, 3:25, and 4:30 p.m. But these Christmas trees that they have right here behind the stage look pretty amazing, all lit up. I'm actually going to head over here towards Norway by the Frozen attraction. The Barn Santa is out right now. I can't wait to check him out.
Christmas Eve on the farm. The farmers bring the goodies for the animals going. They say, eat up little piggies. Ziggy, What sound do the hungry Norwegian piggies make?
Yap, yap. Yap, yap.
That's right. Norwegian piggies say no. So, I need everyone from here over to be my hungry, hungry Norwegian piggies. Let me hear your best. Nuff, nuff.
Nuff, nuff.
All right, that's enough.
That's enough.
What sound do the hungry Norwegian cows make? Yeah. So, I need everyone from here over to be my hungry, hungry Norwegian cows. Let me hear your best. Huh?
I can't pronounce the name.
Let me hear my piggies and cows.
Nope, nope.
Keep it going. Do love up.
Hungry but noisy. Your bird is very impressive. Thank you. Thank you.
Rice porridge! With cinnamon and sugar and a nice little patch of butter right on the top. Oh!
That was so fun to be able to see the barn Santa right here. Again, we weren't expecting it was already out, like perfect timing. And they actually tell you some of the story and the history behind the barn Santa as well. It's just really cool to come to the different places here in World Showcase to be able to check the Santas out. Just made my way here to the Bavaria Holiday Kitchen. They have our next cookie. We have to get the Linzer cookie, but they also have a pork schnitzel for $6.25 and a cheese fondue and a bread bowl for $8.25 and some other beverages as well. This section over here in Bavaria must be very, very popular. This must be a very good cookie, and I think I want to try that bread bowl as well. We got our second cookie stamped right here for the Linzer cookie over here in Germany. So here we have the Linzer cookie. This actually looks really delicious, and I'm very impressed with the size of these cookies for only $2.50. And I also got the cheese fondue bread bowl. This looks so good. Like if you guys had smell-o-vision, look at that cheese running. This looks amazing. And I also gave you the bread for that they pulled off the top as well. All right, let's give this cookie here a softness test. Oh, it's definitely soft, just like the gingerbread cookie. Look at the filling. That looks really delicious. Okay, let's go ahead and try the Linzer cookie. I would say that is the best cookie that I have had in a very, very long time. That is absolutely delicious. I highly recommend the Linzer cookie over here. That cookie is very, very good. I feel like the best way to try this is going to use the top of the bread and kind of dunk it in here. Oh boy, well look at that. Oh boy. Let's go ahead and try this. This looks amazing. All right, let's go ahead and try this cheese fondue bread bowl. The bread is very fresh, and the cheese, excuse me, is very, very good. 2 for 2 here.
It tastes like one of your...
Let's go ahead and dip another one here. That was seriously probably one of the best cookies I have ever eaten. And if they put some broccoli inside of that cheese fondue, like I feel like that would just be an absolutely delicious broccoli and cheese soup. And that bread was so soft and fresh, like they really, really did that one right. They have quite a line already built up right here for the candlelight processional, which goes way down here. But the stage, I want to get a closer look. It looks like they're getting ready actually to do it very, very soon here. Look at this, they're all coming right now from the candlelight processional. It actually must have just ended right now. Look how fancy their dresses are, they shimmer. So the next showing is actually at 8:30, and those are the people that are waiting for the 8:30 show. This one literally just ended, but how beautiful is the stage here, all beautifully lit. You have a Christmas tree on both sides here. They really, really know how to set the mood here for the holidays. We made our location here. We made our round, I should say, to the next location, the American holiday table. They have slow roasted turkey for $5.75, a holiday pot pie for $5.50, a pumpkin gingerbread cheesecake for $4.50, but we have to get the chocolate crinkle cookie for $2.50 for our holiday cookie stroll. They have an absolutely beautiful Christmas tree with very nice LED lights right over here before we get our cookie. The line is right here, but also right back here they have Santa Claus. I want to check him out before we get in line for the cookie. If you're interested in meeting Santa, that's at 11:45, 1:45, 3:45, and 5:45. Let's go get a closer look though. Looks like he's really all set up on a beautiful stage right here. Oh wow, look at him. Yeah, they sure did. Santa looks amazing. Look at him. There's Santa, Luke. I know that guy. How adorable. Wow. So next cookie on our list here is the chocolate dove crinkle cookie, and I also got the pot pie. These were only $5.50. Like, how good of a deal is that? And this is like fresh puff pastry. This smells really, really good. In typical me fashion, I'm gonna go ahead and try the cookie before the pot pie. The consistency of that is like very chewy. More like a sponge, if you will. It's not bad, but I'll say the Linzer was my favorite so far. Then the gingerbread, and then this dove cookie. This comes third on the list, but I'm really excited to try this pot pie. I cannot wait to dig on into this. Like, oh my, like I smelt them baking these. Oh, look at that, the whole thing came off the top. Oh, oh boy, but look at that. Let's go ahead and try that. I got mushroom in that taste. It was very, very like hearty, like absolutely delicious. Let's try the top here of the puff pastry. Very, very good as well. You got some good food here, a beautiful view of this Christmas tree with that beautiful star on top, and Santa Claus over here. Like seriously guys, how could you possibly go wrong? How amazing is this? Princess Jasmine is right here doing a socially distant meet and greet at Epcot. Like, this is amazing. I haven't seen her yet doing a meet and greet like this. I think we found the next cookie on our cookie stroll right here. It's going to be the black and white cookie for $2.50. Let's go knock this one off. The old passport here. We just got stamped here for the black and white cookie, so all we need is one more over in Canada. I think that's the Snickers Doodle cookie, and then we get the holiday cookie stroll completer treat, which sounds amazing. A free cookie at the end. So here we have the black and white cookie. I want to go ahead have my mom hold this so we can break it apart really quick. Oh, it's definitely going to be a soft cookie. Look at that though. Very, very soft. And you got a beautiful view here. Right over there we have Spaceship Earth all lit up. We'll check that out a little bit later on. Okay, let's go ahead and try the black and white cookie. These are usually one of my favorite cookies, so I'm really curious to see how this one is.
There's the white part.
I got a little bit of both. It's not my favorite one, I'll say that. But it's not bad. I would say my first cookie here so far is the Linzer. Second one, gingerbread. The third one will be this black and white cookie. And then the fourth one would be the dark chocolate dove cookie so far. Our last stop is right here at Yukon in Canada to get our Snickerdoodle cookie right here, and then we get the complimentary cookie, which I am really excited to try. Let's go get this one stamped. We've officially got every cookie stamped right here. We're gonna try the Snickerdoodle cookie, and then we'll get our complimentary free one. All right, so here's the Snickers Doodle cookie. Let's go ahead and give this a try. This looks actually really good. It's got a good heaping of Snickers in the middle. This one actually is really good. This might be number 2 on the list, I think. We got the Linzer, then this one, then the black and white, no, then the gingerbread, then the black and white cookie. I like this one a lot. So we finished our cookie stroll right here. We got all of our cookies stamped, and right here at the port of entry store is where we're going to get our redemption cookie. It looks like we're getting a 50th anniversary cookie. How cool does that look?
Alright.
Thank you.
Then you got one of these.
Oh wow, thank you. Look at that.
One of these.
Yes, please. You got a cookie? So you actually get a Christmas ornament right here, like a gingerbread man, and then they give you this a peppermint cookie stroll. What is this, a sundae? With ice cream, it looks like?
Peppermint sundae.
Yeah, this cup is really cool. Then you also get the 50th cookie. Like, you get so much, I literally thought it was just the cookie as the complimentary gift. And here we ended up with a cookie, we ended up with an ornament, and a sundae. All right, let's go cookie first here.
Popcorn, honey. Nana's almost
Oh, it's like shiny.
I would actually say this cookie is my least favorite of all of them. It's very hard. Like the emblem here, again, it's just very hard. I don't like this one too much, not too much flavor.
How do you like that?
But I was not expecting this sundae right here with this holiday or festival of the holidays cup. Like, this is really cool. It's a very nice like take home. We got a good scoop right here.
Popcorn? Oh, I thought it was the drink fountain.
Oh no, I don't know where the drink is.
Okay, that's the popcorn. Oh, and it's got a
The chocolate soft serve ice cream is very good.
okay, and it's
I'm not a huge fan of peppermint, so I can do without all that, but the ice cream is very good. And you get a really nice cup to take home too. How do you go wrong? We had such a great day at Epcot today with the holiday cookie stroll, all the Foods Around World Showcase for Festival of the Holidays. We have the Beacon of Magic behind us. Just a great day. If you liked today's video, give it a big thumbs up. And as always, make today awesome.